Hey guys, welcome to my second YouTube video. I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to show you how to use AI for the implication of the most dangerous formula of Excel, that is Vlookup. This is my second YouTube video, so share your insights about how it is so I can improve. Let's begin. So I hope you can see my Excel sheet. This sheet contains random daily sales data for a mobile store, and the second sheet provides the prices for the products sold at that store. Now your boss has asked you to use the Vlookup function to get the price of the product from the second sheet and fill it in the main sheet. How will you do it? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. You might be wondering how to use the Vlookup function, especially if you're unfamiliar with it. I'm here to guide you, or rather AI is here to help. Let me show you exactly how to do it. So here I have opened my Gemini AI, so you all who have watched my first video knows why I use Gemini AI. If not, then go and watch that. After you complete this video, do not run away from here until I have finished, okay? So now we should do what the boss has asked, or you know how they are. So I am beginning writing the prompt, see? Yes, we found the answer. Look at how simply I constructed the prompt. You just need to tell the AI what you want, and he will do it for you. But you must remember that your prompt needs to exactly match the cell locations in the Excel sheet. If you make a mistake with the cell location, the AI will generate a formula, but it won't work when you copy and paste it into Excel. Now, a simple truth: if you just copy and paste formulas from AI, it will help you, but it will not benefit you because you didn't understand anything. I've got an AI-powered solution for this as well. Let me show you how it works. I will ask AI to explain to me the formula like I am a 5-year-old child. Boom, got the explanation. See how precisely AI has explained the above formula, that how talented it is. You can see how we can actually use AI not only for reducing our workload, but also learning from it. So I have opened my Excel sheet. I will simply just paste the formula that I copied from Gemini to the perfect cell location, that is D3. Gotcha. We got our answer. See how easy it was? Just using AI, you break down the toughest formula and also learn how it worked. If you like, then comment, "Oh yeah, baby." This was all for today. I will keep bringing new things to make you an AI bot. Haha, just joking. I will help you with this, and you help me with subscribing to my channel, 50-50 deal. So goodbye, see you all soon in the next video. Till then, watch my shorts that I have uploaded. Tata.